on the vetting of the nominees for appointment as Cabinet Secretary for East African Community Affairs and Regional Development and Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya, laid on the table of the House today, Wednesday, 14th August 2024, and pursuant to the provisions of Article 152(2) and 156(2) of the Constitution and Section 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011, this House approves the appointment of the following persons. 1, Ms. Beatrice Askul Moe as the Cabinet Secretary for East African Community Affairs and Regional Development, and 2, Ms. Dorcas Oduor, Senior Counsel, OGW, as the Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya.
Thank you very much. Leader of Majority Party, the Honorable Owen Baya.
Which motion?
You may approach the table.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that this House resolves to exempt the business appearing as order numbers 11 and 12(2) in today's order paper from the provisions of Standing Order 43, being a Wednesday morning, a day allocated for business not sponsored by the majority or minority party or business sponsored by a committee. Honorable Speaker, you know today is Wednesday, and Wednesday morning is usually a time when we debate private members' business. But Honorable Speaker, given that we have moved a very important motion today that needs to be discussed, therefore, we need to rearrange our business such that we allow that, though being a Wednesday morning, we allow that government business comes in, or committee business comes in the middle. So, Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that we adopt this procedural motion and request the Honorable Dr. Pokose to second.